Remove the fixing nut from the dosing assembly. Remove the hose fixing nut. Remove the valve fixing nut. Remove the suction valve. Attention! Use tools only to assist in disassembling the valve. Do not use metallic tools for cleaning to avoid damage. Gently force the ring to grip the protruding part and remove it from its fitting. After removing the ring, clean all product residue or dirt that may be on the valve pin. Check the integrity of the ring. It must not be dented, swollen, or show any signs of chemical damage. Lubricate the ring with silicone. Attention, do not use any other type of lubricant. Assemble the valve and place it in the dosing assembly. Fit the ring onto the valve pin. Insert the valve pin into the valve body and place the spring. Position the valve guide on top until it fits. Lubricate the ring and fit it into the valve body. Fit the valve assembly with the notches alternating with those on the dosing sleeve. Screw on the suction valve fixing nut and tighten it fully. Screw on the hose fixing nut. Install the dosing assembly on the Dosatak. Screw the dosing assembly into the lower cap. Make sure the hose and the suction filter are clean and that the suction filter is installed at the tip of the hose, following the correct instruction 10 centimeters from the bottom. The function of the valve is to retain the liquid so that it does not return through the hose to the Kobra mix or bucket. If it is returning, the main causes are dirt, accumulated product, or a damaged ring or part.